Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the Smart Crop feature in Canva. The Smart Crop feature is based on AI and it can essentially see the picture and then it will decide what is the best portion of the image to be shown and what is part of the picture that has to be removed. And if you have a picture and then you are not sure on which part or how to make the picture look pretty and balanced, then you can use the Smart Crop feature. And here's how you can use that. First, you have to upload or use a picture from the Canva stock library, and then you want to put that picture into your design, and then you have to double click on the photo like that. It will bring this crop menu and you can see there is a Smart Crop button, and if you click on it, the AI will run and it will decide what is the best section of the picture to be shown. And as you can see, it will also do some rotation and you can actually see the number on the rotation setting change. It's actually the same as when you're clicking the auto button, the result will be the same. So I actually have no idea why they are not just combining these two together, because they are essentially the same thing. So anyway, when you are click done, you see that now we got this picture. And it could be subjective here, but I think this is a bit better because now the subject look a lot closer compared to before. And also you can double click on the picture again and then you can decide what is the dimension or the aspect ratio of the picture. For example, I'm going to be selecting the square 1:1 aspect ratio, and then I'm going to be selecting Smart Crop feature, and the AI will try to figure out what is the best area or the best portion of the photo to be shown in that dimension. And I think this subject is still here, so that means the AI understand that this is the most important part of the picture. However, I would say that Smart Crop feature in Canva is not always perfect, and sometimes you might just want to crop the picture your own. If I double click again and I'm selecting the 9:16 aspect ratio, I think this one looks okay, but if I enable Smart Crop, it will do something crazy like this. So there is no picture, there's no face on this picture. That is not good, and that is why, even though this is supposedly to be smart, supposedly to be better than the user when it comes to deciding the perfect balance of the picture, I think in some cases it is better to just crop the image yourself, and then you can decide what is the best for the photo. So anyway, that's how you can use the Smart Crop feature in Canva, and I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.